Hi, welcome to our channel. I'm Dee.
I'm Kelly.
And we are
Sisters
of Stitchcraft.
Ding!
You did it that time.
It's like we're taking it in turns.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this one's a bit of a delayed one actually, because I've just realised that I haven't opened my 77 box this month.
She hasn't even opened it. She's had it.
No, because I was all
opened
poorly
mine.
and I put it to one side and thought I'll deal with that later, and I completely forgot until you turned up. So we're going to do this one. So Kelly has opened hers, I haven't opened mine. So it's sort of a delayed unboxing, and you've probably seen everybody else's unboxing, so you know what's in here. But you might as well see what we think of the contents whilst we're here. So yeah, there we go. Some of the 77 books. What we got in here today? I'm going to give you the thing to look at and read out. You're good at that.
Okay.
Sorry about the rustling.
I like the rustling.
Ooh, popcorn.
That went.
Oh, nice. Oh, gingerbread popcorn.
She's put those in before.
Sorry, I just jumped quickly into that
She's
one.
put those in last
Yeah,
year,
but
I
last
think,
year,
as
I
well.
remember.
And they're
Cool.
vegan.
Excellent.
So I shared them with Richie. I was very good. I saved them till
you're
after
good.
dinner. Which I thought was incredibly good for me, because normally it's like,
Very good, yeah.
and yeah, they're lush. They're lush. I really enjoy those.
So, right, sorry, I'm going to bring it around because it's got my thing on it. I haven't covered my dress up. Right, so what we got?
Right.
So, what am I opening first, Kelly? So, I've got these ones. Talk about this. No? Kelly's looking like she hasn't had this box.
I've not had that.
Have you not?
No.
Did you have something different?
Yeah.
Oh, that does make it exciting. Really?
Yeah.
What, this?
Yeah.
So I've got this, which is oh, that's quite handy. Look, it tells you the different needles, the colours.
It's not on the list either, so I think I don't
Ah.
know why you've got that. I don't know.
I don't know why I've got it, but I really like it because it is quite handy. Because sometimes when you've got a needle in, you're like, what needle is that? Especially if you haven't sewn for a little while, and it's got all the colour coding on it.
Cool. I don't like the back of it. It's one of those that sets me on edge, the feel of it and the sound that it makes. So yeah, I can't stand that. It's like, oh,
I don't mind that.
it
Yeah.
makes me feel all funny.
Oh,
So I'm quite
yeah,
glad I
yeah.
didn't get it. But yeah, no, I didn't get that in mine. I don't remember seeing any of the other people that I've watched unboxings, and I don't remember seeing anyone
I
else
obviously
have
haven't
that
because I hadn't
either.
opened mine. So.
I'm thinking, have you got a different box to me? But no, I'm
Thank you,
looking at the
Emma.
list. I know what you should have.
But yeah, no, that's really good.
Yeah.
I really like that. That's really handy for
That's
me.
funny actually, because we had the Schmetz thing in the last one as well, didn't we?
We had the
booklet thing.
booklet on the needles, didn't we? Yeah. So, but that's really good because that's just like a quick slick guide, isn't it? So what am I opening first?
Well,
Oh, I don't know.
you might just look over the fabric if
Yeah.
you can see it.
I'm liking all of this that I can see so far. Look at this.
Fabulous. So we got 30 centimetres, I think it's a metre, did we get a metre or something? Of 30 centimetre width.
Uh-huh. Yeah,
Length,
that's like the standard
width.
that you get
Yeah, the
from
standard
that,
one
yeah.
that we get, of brown faux croc leather.
That's nice.
And I've recently been getting
Make
into
nice
my
boots.
brownish makes.
Yeah.
So I thought that's going to look amazing with my new fairy core dress and my
Yes,
brown tights
it
and
will,
my brown
absolutely.
sparkly trainers.
So you're actually going to get on and make something with it.
And Richie does my pattern for me. I've got to get him to reduce the pattern down. But yes, that's my plan.
Oh, that's really nice. I really like that.
I'm going to make lace bags next year.
Sorry.
Right.
So that's the webbing.
Yeah.
Oh, that's thinner. Remember, we
is,
say
it's
we
the-
quite
it's
often
the-
usually get, and often
the
it's not
inch.
good enough for, not good enough, that sounds wrong. It's not the right width for what you need for a lot of
Yeah,
patterns.
so the bag that I
This
was
is the
talking
inch
about
one rather than the 2
specifically,
inches
that's
or
right.
1.5 or whatever it is.
Yeah,
It's
exactly.
1.5.
It's the Adam
Yeah.
Sews bag that I was talking about, the Linda purse.
yeah.
It's supposed to only have the inch webbing. So I thought that when I opened it, I was like, wow, that's how fun is that?
Yeah, we've just been talking about
It's like,
that.
that's what I've got to make.
So is that what you're going to make with it?
Probably.
Oh, wow, excellent. Oh, that's really good. I mean, I like the others too, but
If you
it's
put
nice
it up
sometimes
against
to
the
have
brown,
this size for change.
yeah.
Yeah, that's lovely.
It does
contrast.
actually go quite well
It
together.
does.
And it's
I really
quite,
like that colour.
It's a real autumnal look, isn't it?
Very
the
autumnal.
colours.
Well, it did come out in autumn. It's just that I'm a bit
True.
behind the times, really.
Technically,
we are
just
still
in winter
just
now.
in, yeah. But I
I
sort of
think
missed
it'll work
autumn.
well for
So then we've obviously got the
matching
matching.
zipper tape.
Zipper
A metre
tape.
and a half of that.
Yeah.
2 metres of
Oh,
the
that's really
webbing.
nice. I really
2
like
metres
that.
of the webbing and 1.5 metres of the zipper tape.
It's quite classy looking, I
I
feel.
think so. I think it is
It's almost
classic
a bit royal,
as well.
A bit royal, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Like Princess Anne, I'm feeling.
Oh, I like Princess Anne.
So do
She's one
I.
of the few that I like.
Oh, I like them all. I like her a
admire
lot.
her.
Yeah.
She's a hard-working lady, and she
Yeah.
doesn't. Anyway, yes. Let's not get into what we think about the royal family, but I like her.
Different subject. So what's in my little bit of paint, my little thing?
You have got in there. Let me ruin it for you.
So I've got my stickers.
You do.
Oh, that's a nice bag actually.
Isn't it?
Hang on. Beautiful bag start with a single stitch. And sometimes we've got to cut into the good stuff. Yeah, sometimes we do.
Sometimes it's a struggle, but we should.
Definitely. So,
yes. I thought that
We've got
bag
two
looked a bit
zipper
sort of
pulls.
school satchel almost. Maybe not school satchel.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think that gave me those vibes, but I quite like
it's
it.
a little one. Yeah,
Almost
I
like a
quite
little
like it.
briefcase.
Yeah.
Kind of, yeah, it's pretty.
So,
zipper pulls,
zipper pulls,
yes.
2 zipper pulls, which
So
are really nice.
we
And
have
again,
got-
nice classic ones, aren't they?
They are. They're lovely colour.
Yeah.
2 number 5 bronze zipper pulls.
Yeah.
And they're nice weight, aren't they? Nice
Yeah,
and
they're
thick
really
and-
sturdy. Yeah, really sturdy.
But, to be fair, she always has top quality items.
Yes.
But yes, so
We haven't had much bronze, I don't think. That's quite nice, actually.
yeah,
This
it's a nice
time, yeah.
change. Yes, indeed. So in our little leaflet that we get, you do get 3 bag patterns, recommended bag patterns from different bag makers. One from Emma, and then 2 different bag makers. Is that same bag? It's not, is it?
No,
it's a different
different
one.
bag. Yeah.
Oh,
So
I want to know what that bag is.
the recommendations work.
We've got Casey Original, who is Karen, can't pronounce her surname, who's a bag maker, and she's got a luxury laptop bag. So again, briefcase-like.
Yeah. Is that one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is your everyday companion for work, school or business meetings, up to 14 inches. My laptop is a 15-inch one. So that'd be no good for me, I'd have to size it up. And then I quite like this one as well, that Emma's put, the Nibet
Yeah,
bag.
I've not seen that one before, definitely. That's nice.
You've done a lot with cork, haven't you? But not necessarily.
I've done a lot, I've done a bit. Not a lot.
A lot more than me. So I've not worked with cork at all yet. And then there's the Firethorn bucket bag. I'd like to see the. I like those. Look at those straps. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on there. If not, go and watch Ruan's unboxing. I feel like she's got a big picture of the straps on hers.
Okay. So I wouldn't be able to find that anywhere else to put the picture up.
Yeah, you probably can. Yeah, if you could get it, you'd be able to, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
You could do one of all of them actually, because they're not very big pictures.
No,
you'd
they're not.
see. Fab. So Dee's going to do that. There was no point in me holding that leaflet up for you. And that was Cork and Copper Designs, that bag pattern's from. It was a very pretty bag pattern. What do you think you want to make with it?
Don't know. I've got a couple of bags to make.
What's that new Spencer Ogg bag?
The Tortini.
The Tortini. I really like that.
I really like that. And again, that's a
you
really
think that
nice
would
plastic
do?
bag. Yeah, I do. But the trouble is, I've got about 3 of those I want to make now.
That's the problem, isn't it, when you get a bag pattern? I really like that bag pattern. I really like the Linda purse from Adam Sews.
I do like that this is quite classic, and I feel like I want to make a classic bag with it.
Is the Citini bag not a classic?
Yeah,
looking
no,
bag?
that's exactly it.
Oh, that's
what I mean.
that's why I was thinking of it for that one.
So I think that would make a really
That would
nice
work.
Tortini. I don't think it's too difficult to make. So I maybe we'll make. I've got about 3 different versions I want to
We
make.
need a few bag making days, don't we? Because we've got other bags that we want to make as well.
Yeah.
Another Spencer Robb bag actually we need to make together.
Yeah, I think the straps you wouldn't be using this on the tortini. You wouldn't be using the webbing.
But then you could use it on something else.
You can use the webbing on something else, but you could use a zip. But yeah, sorry. So what were you saying? You're doing?
Could you make the tortini bag with the actual faux leather, the handles?
Yes.
Nice. I like that look.
Yeah, if there's enough of this, I assume there is. Yeah, that's what I mean. It's a very classic bag with classic handles.
Yeah.
And it's a really, really nice bag.
I really like it.
It's not quirky. It's nothing
just classy
gimmicky.
and
It's just a
classy.
very classy bag, and I think that's why it's been so popular. It's been really popular.
And if it's an easy-ish one to make as well.
I think it's one of those, I think, from what I've read, that looks difficult, but it's actually not too difficult. And I just think that this would be really nice for that.
So now I'm thinking I might do that, but what I was thinking, because of the strap width, I was thinking about making the Adam Sews Linda purse.
And that's the one that you've talked about before,
which I still haven't made. I've got loads.
So again, you've got loads of
bag
of that.
kits literally put together to make it. But yeah, it's going to wait, because next year I'm not going to be buying fabric or patterns or notions.
She says
so I'm
that
gonna. I'm going to be the last sew standing. So
sorry, I should have more faith in my friend.
Why would you not have faith in me?
Because I wake up every morning and your Instagram says, "Oh look what I brought at 4 o'clock this morning."
That's my issue. 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to buy fabric. But this is the reason I'm doing last sew standing, because I need to start using the stuff in my stash to make room for new purchases the year after. I'm still going to buy fabric afterwards, but I just want to get my UFOs done. Do you know what I mean? I've got so many things cut out that I should make. Yeah. But all the time I'm buying new fabric, I'm not going to probably make most of those up. And I've got so many Bagmakers boxes that I haven't used. And I really want to, because they're all so beautiful. Yeah. I really want to be able to walk along with a little bag.
I haven't made many for a long time, actually. So yeah, so it's about time I did. What was the last bag? I'm trying to think of the last bag I made. I can't remember.
So I think what we should do then, we should have a little recording session next year at some point in the sort of the first quarter of the year, if we've got time, where we sit down and just make a bag and they can come and join us. Yeah. Not for the whole bag, because that would be really boring if you were there all day. But we could do some speeding up things and you could catch us chatting. And
that's a cool idea.
That would be cool, wouldn't it? Because we need to make
yeah.
stuff, and we need to use our Bagmakers bag.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I'm going to have to cancel my subscription. I've got one more box that I can have before the last sew standing starts.
For reference, I am not doing last sew standing.
She'll still be getting the box.
So
I'll be getting very jealous.
So we will still be unboxing. But yes. There won't be any. Kelly's already opened her box and now it's me.
I'm just going to be going, I wish I hadn't cancelled my subscription. But yeah, you can't, for the last sew standing, you can't buy any notions. The only thing you can have is like if it's prepaid. So I will still have my Specky Seamstress binding, because that's already paid before the challenge starts.
So yeah.
So
going back to this box,
just
quickly. No, that's fine. We've gone a bit off topic as usual.
Shocking.
So you said you didn't get the one of these.
No.
Did you get everything else though?
Yes.
And there's nothing else you got different.
No, and that's not on the list.
So I don't know why.
I think maybe that just fell in there. Maybe she didn't mean to give it to you. I don't know, but I don't remember seeing any. And I've watched quite a few of the unboxings. I've probably watched 3 or 4 other unboxings, and I don't. Can you put it down, please?
Sorry.
And I can't. And I don't remember anyone else having that.
Okay, that's interesting. Yeah.
I don't know what that's about.
No, funny. But I actually really like it. It's going up in my sew note, definitely.
Cool.
In by my needles drawer.
And obviously, if you want to sign up for the Bagmakers box, we should say it's
we nearly forgot. We always forget the code.
Always. It's not a kit. It is just she just curates a box of stuff that goes well together. It's
just a good box.
If you want to make bags, it's exceptional quality, and she sources it. I don't know where from, because it's not stuff you can always get in the shops.
No, it's always something that's a little bit different.
And I haven't had one where I've thought, oh, I don't like that.
I agree.
Not one. Not one. There's been some standout favourites for me, but I've loved all of them.
Yeah, I would agree with that. Definitely.
So yes, going back to the code, we have a code that you can get £5 off your first
box. Yeah, and the code is Sisters.
Sisters, capital letters
with an A. Sisters.
Oh yes,
not
sisters.
Because we're not
really sisters.
We're just sisters.
Sisters.
So SISTAS. I will put it up the bottom.
Fabulous.
If you quote that for your first box, then you too can have a super lovely box of goodies to make bags with.
She just creates the most amazing boxes.
She does. She's very clever.
And I really want to get them made so that I can carry them around with me. So I'm looking forward to next year and making lots of bags. Anyway, I think that about covers it.
Yes, because it's only me today. So usually it's both of us opening.
And I've seen mine. I opened mine about 4 weeks.
Yeah, it is a late one.
It's been 4 weeks. 3 or 4 weeks ago.
It must have been about that, because I've been poorly for a month.
Yeah.
So I just didn't have the energy, and it wasn't until you came round and I was like, oh, I still haven't opened my box.
I'm like, what?
Everything's just shoved in the room. So
Cool.
Okay,
right.
There you go.
Happy sewing.
Happy sewing. Happy bag making.
Oh yes, happy bag making.
Bye.